Oh shit. Hello people. Today I'm changing this thing because it's broke and I hit a flower pot. But I got most of the screws removed all along here. Then there's some in here. Got that one. Working on this one. Dude, I think there's a couple more, but I don't know. It will be different for everybody because mine's already the concept. But if you're stock, there's a paper over there. You get with the lip, that'll tell you everything. But I'll get back to you guys when I get this thing removed. We'll put the new one together and install that. All right. So I got that thing off, and now I got this push pin exposed. There's a screw here, and I think there's probably gonna be the same stuff. You can see one down there. Same stuff on that side and same location. So I'm gonna get that removed, hopefully. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got screw out. Now, looking at these installation, step 9, those little things, I don't know where they go. What do you have I don't know where those are. But, where we at? Yeah, we got these. There's some clips, push pins or whatever, that we're gonna have to try to get. There we go. There's about 6. There's your bolts. Okay, whatever. We took all those out. Take all these. I don't know. I'm no rocket scientist. I'm just an idiot. All right, I got one side off, and I was looking over here. I think there's a screw. There's one right here. It's 7 mil. It was hiding. Get this off. What's going on? Fuck. Damn it. I'll be right back. Alright, cool. I got everything off. As you can see, it's naked. Bumper's still messed up though, it's scratched. Fuck. But, yeah. Here's the, yeah. You can see it's pretty fucked up there. That clip broke, this one right here. So, I'm gonna have to fish it out of there. Once I do that though, it'll be pretty simple to put it back in. And I think you can assemble it all at once on the ground, but I think you can also just install this first and then put the sides on after, but I don't know. That's probably a lot easier, but I'll probably just put it together on the ground. We'll see. All right, cool. So this clip also broke off the old one. I got the new one on, locked up. Still gotta do all the screws and shit. Kill me. I might actually just keep these bolts, extra bolts. All right. What do we got here? Oh, we got that broken piece out of that nut plate. Wow, it's pretty. Not fucked up. Right. Now for the shitty part of aligning everything. Now that I forgot where everything goes. We'll be back at the end. Godspeed, gentlemen. All right, ladies and gentlemen. I got all the bolts in. Hopefully. Or screws or whatever. I got those all in. Nice. Horrible footage. There we go. MP Concepts. All right, that looks good. Now from under here, get it back on the ground. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Look at that, boys. Look at that, so much cleaner, but you know, flower pot did some damage. A little bit of scuffing, a little bit of that, a little bit of flowers though there, but all I need is a little bit of Rusty's. And I'll take it right away. Look at that shit. Horsepower. Horsepower, man. 0 to 60 time right there, boys. That's what that means. All right, later, skaters.